In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to trim an image here in Canva. So I have this image just here, and this is what we're going to trim, or otherwise known as crop. Now there's two ways that we can do this. We can crop this or trim this ourselves, or use Canva's presets. Now to trim this ourselves, if we click onto the image, all we have to do then is click onto the side, and we can trim this, crop it however we want, just like this. Or let me just go back a couple, just like that. We can double click on this image and then we're going to get some presets up here. So there's 1 by 1. It's going to give us a little preview on how that would look. There's 16 by 9, 9 by 16, 5 by 4, and a few others as well. Now, if you find one that you like, let's go with the 16 by 9. If I click done, that image has now been trimmed. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to trim an image here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and watch this playlist packed of Canva tutorials.